Today, I'm going to show you how to upload and share documents in HubSpot. It's a fantastic way to keep your sales assets organized and make collaborating with your team or prospects buttery smooth. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your files into HubSpot and easily send them out, saving you time and confusion and letting you focus on what really matters. All right, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to upload a document to HubSpot. You'll start by heading over to your HubSpot account. And if you're new to the platform, don't worry, the navigation bar up top is your friend. Once you're in, look for the Sales section and click into Documents. This is basically your central hub for all the files you want to use in your sales process. Think of it as your personal digital briefcase. Now, in the top right corner, there's a button that says Upload Document. Go ahead and click it. You'll notice HubSpot gives you several options for where you want to pick up your file. Maybe your document is saved locally on your computer. Just browse and select the file you want. Or, if you're a cloud storage aficionado, you can pull files right from Dropbox or Google Drive. If you already have your file in HubSpot's File Manager, you can select it there too. It's designed to fit the way you already work, which is super handy. After you select your file, HubSpot will upload it, and in a few seconds, you'll see it show up in your Documents dashboard. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Larger files, especially those hefty PowerPoints or PDFs, can take a little longer. And keep in mind, HubSpot supports .ptx, PDF, IOXX, and XLSX formats. Those cover almost all common business documents, whether it's a pitch deck for the sales team, a contract, or a pricing sheet. Okay, so your document is in HubSpot. Next up, sharing it. This is where things get really powerful because you can create a custom link for your document and track how your recipients interact with it. Super useful in a sales context to see if that prospect is actually looking at what you send. Let's start in your Documents dashboard. Find the file you just uploaded. You can hover your mouse over it, and you'll see an Actions drop-down menu appear. Click on Actions, then select Create Link. Now, a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter your recipient's email address. This step is more than just sending. It helps HubSpot track who is viewing your document, so you'll get detailed engagement analytics later. Once you type in the email and click Create Link, HubSpot will generate a unique link for your document. At this point, you can choose to copy that link and share it however you like. Maybe paste it into a personalized email or message. Or if you prefer, there's a really slick option to click Compose Email and send the document link directly from the contact's record right in HubSpot. This streamlines your outreach and keeps all your communication in one place. If you're new to this, don't worry. The process is pretty straightforward, and HubSpot has designed these features to make sharing files secure and trackable, which is a huge step up from just emailing attachments. Plus, if you realize you sent a file and need to update it, you can easily re-upload or share again with a fresh link. And that's it. You've learned how to upload and share documents efficiently in HubSpot. If this walkthrough helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions or want to hear more tips for maximizing HubSpot, drop a comment below. I read every single one and love to help out. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more practical, time-saving tutorials. Thanks for watching.